Hello, young explorers. Welcome to a fantastic outdoor adventure. You're about to embark on a journey that will ignite your curiosity and get your feet a little dirty. That's right. We're diving into the heart of nature, where every leaf, rock, and bug holds a secret waiting to be discovered. Today, we're going on a thrilling nature scavenger hunt designed just for you, kids aged 5 to 10. So, gear up and get ready to explore the great outdoors like never before. Before we start, check our list of items to find in nature. We're on the lookout for a variety of leaves, different types and sizes of rocks, a rainbow of flowers, and a handful of friendly insects. From the tiniest ant to the biggest leaf, every item is a new discovery waiting to be found. So, put on your explorer hat, grab your checklist, and let's get ready for an exciting adventure. Are you ready to find them all? But first, we go over some rules and tips. To ensure our adventure is fun and safe, we need to follow some guidelines. Firstly, remember to stay protected from the sun. Hats and sunscreen are your best friends outdoors. They'll keep you cool and safe from those blazing rays. Secondly, always go on your scavenger hunt with a buddy or a grown-up. Exploring is always more fun when shared, and it's important to have someone nearby in case you need help. Also, keep an eye on where you're stepping. Nature is full of surprises, some of which might be a little prickly. And while we're on the subject of surprises, if you spot an animal, remember to observe it from a distance. Finally, leave nature as you found it. This means no picking flowers or taking rocks home with you. Our goal is to enjoy the beauty of nature, not disturb it. Remember, never touch any wild animals you might come across. All right, explorers, it's time to begin. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. The air is buzzing with excitement, and the great outdoors is calling us to embark on this thrilling adventure. Are your explorer hats on? Great, let's get started. Sweep your gaze around and let your curiosity guide you. Every leaf, every rock, and every flower is a potential discovery waiting to be found. Don't forget about our little insect friends. They might be tiny, but they are mighty interesting. Now, remember to use all your senses. Feel the texture of the leaves, listen to the rustling in the bushes, smell the fresh wildflowers. You never know, the next item on your list might be just around the corner. This is not just about finding items on a list. Oh no, it's about soaking in the beauty of nature, learning about the world around us, and most importantly, having fun. So, take your time, enjoy the hunt, and let the adventure unfold. Keep your eyes peeled, your ears open, and your explorer spirits high. Every step you take brings you closer to completing your list. Are you excited? I know I am. So go forth, young explorers. Unleash your inner adventurer and dive into the thrilling world of discovery. The Nature Scavenger Hunt is officially on. Who can find them all first? Look at the incredible things you can find in nature. As you traipse through the grass or tiptoe around tree roots, keep your eyes wide open. There's a world of wonder waiting to be discovered right under your nose. Who knows, you might stumble upon a leaf as big as your hand with veins like a road map leading the way to a world of discovery. Or perhaps you'll find rocks with colors and patterns that tell tales of the Earth's rich history. And then there are the flowers. Oh, the flowers. From tiny blossoms peeking from the grass to grand blooms reaching for the sky, each one is a masterpiece, painted by nature herself. But we can't forget about the insects, can we? Whether it's a butterfly with wings that shimmer in the sunlight, or an ant marching along with determination, each little creature plays a role in the grand scheme of nature. Each leaf, rock, flower, or insect you find is a testament to the beauty and diversity of our natural world. They're all part of a big, beautiful puzzle, and you're a puzzle solver piecing it all together. So take a moment. Breathe in the fresh air. Feel the earth beneath your feet. Listen to the rustle of leaves in the wind. This is nature's symphony, playing just for you. Take a moment to appreciate the wonders around you. Wow! You did an amazing job on your nature scavenger hunt. The world you've uncovered is truly magical. Every leaf, every rock, every flower and insect you found is a testament to your curiosity and adventurous spirit. So, let's keep this spirit alive. The outdoors is a treasure trove of wonders waiting to be discovered. Let's promise to keep exploring, to keep learning, and to keep appreciating the beautiful world around us. Remember, nature is full of surprises, so keep exploring and discovering. Thank you for joining us on this outdoor adventure. We hope you had as much fun as we did exploring and discovering the wonders of nature. If you did, make sure to share your experience with your friends and family. And hey, if you want to join us on more thrilling expeditions and activities, be sure to like this video and hit that subscribe button. Who knows what we'll discover next? Until next time, happy exploring. Subscribe to our channel for more fun adventures. Don't miss out on the joy of discovery and learning. There's a whole world waiting for you in our other videos. Stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, adventure is out there. See you soon.